3.6 earthquake reported off the coast of Massachusetts. People in Rhode Island, Connecticut and New Hampshire also felt the quake. An earthquake struck Sunday off the coast of Massachusetts, jolting residents throughout New England, according to the US Geological Survey. The earthquake, measuring 3.6 on the Richter scale, struck at 9:10 a.m. in the Atlantic Ocean about 8 miles off the coast of New Bedford in Buzzards Bay at a depth of 9.3 miles, the USGS reported. The USGS initially measured the quake at 4.2 magnitude before downgrading it to a 4.0 and finally to a 3.6. Numerous people reported feeling the jolt across southeastern Massachusetts, including Cape Cod, and Rhode Island, Connecticut, and New Hampshire, officials said.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.